Today, I will show you how I create dither effect in Photoshop.
Open your photo. Click to Image size. Reducing the size of the image will give you better results. For more accurate results, you can add brightness and contrast and adjust these settings according to your photo. Click the File Export Save for Web option. Select the WBMP option and specify the location where you will save the file. Open the file you saved. Click on the File Export As option. Here, select the JPG format and set the resolution to maximum, and save the file. Click on the Image Size option. Enlarge the size of your image. Don't forget to select the nearest neighbor option in the Resample menu. This is the most important step. Your image is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like it